Hi and welcome back to the latest unboxing with the Soul Women's. Today we're looking at this Nike Air Force 1 Pixel in snakeskin, and Nike have been killing it recently with their Pixel releases. We have seen a leopard print one and now we're seeing the snakeskin. Just look at the details on it, all within a clean white upper, alongside the chunky midsole with all of the misplaced detailing all around here where it says the Air branding, and then just giving a bit of a staggered look just all the way around. Looking into the details, we have the Air Force 1 branding on the tongue, on the insole. We're keeping the back pretty simple. It's actually quite hard to see the branding, but the Air Force 1 detailing is still there as well. As for the rest of the sneaker, this is a really nice sail colour. You can't go wrong with a bit of sail. I just love it, and especially as we're moving into spring, it's just going to be perfect with all of your nice summery fits. This is the Nike Air Force 1 Pixel, and it will be launching on Nike on the 16th of March for £95. If you're looking to shop, make sure to tap the image tag on the video or head to the link in bio, or if you're on Facebook or Twitter, the link will be in the description. And we will see you next time.